Hey, welcome to Shana and the Hook. Today we're gonna be making a gingerbread man or a cookie man. I got two yarns of different colors, the main one and for small details, also a hook and a needle. So let's begin. We start with a slip knot and then chain 17. It's going to be our arms, by the way. Once you chain 17, do one single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So in the end you will have 16 single crochet. Now chain 1, turn your work and repeat single crochet 16 times. And again, chain 1, turn your work and repeat single crochet 16 times. At the end of round 3, chain 1 and that's it, the arms are done, you can just cut the yarn. And let's proceed with the body. Insert the hook into the 6th stitch. Then chain 1 and do one single crochet into the same stitch. Now single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Oh, and by the way, I'm just putting the end of the yarn on top of the hook so it can be hidden, because on top will be like our single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now do single crochet into the next 6 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now we will start increasing, so do 2 single crochet into the same first stitch, then 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, and then again 2 single crochet into the same stitch, which will be like the 6th stitch. And again, chain 1 and turn your work. Now we do 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches. Now chain 1, turn your work and repeat 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches. Now chain 1, turn your work and repeat 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, and the body is done. Now we will crochet the legs. 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, then chain 1 and turn. And now we repeat it 2 times, so we 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, then chain 1, turn the work, and again 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, chain 1 and turn. Now we skip the first stitch and single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Chain 1, turn the work, then again skip the first stitch and single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. The first leg is completed. And the second leg will be the same. We now need to insert the hook, then chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Now single crochet 3 times, then chain 1 and turn your work. Now we single crochet into the next 4 stitches, then chain 1, turn, then again 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, chain 1 and turn, and then we will do decrease. Now we skip the first stitch and single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Chain 1, turn your work, skip again the first stitch and single crochet into the next 2 stitches, then chain 1, and that will be the end of our second leg, so you can cut the yarn. Yoo-hoo! So here is our headless cookie man. Let's fix it and crochet the hat. Insert the hook into the 7th stitch. Chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch, then single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. 2 single crochet into the same stitch, then 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches and then again 2 single crochet into the same stitch. As always, chain 1, turn your work, then 2 single crochet into the same stitch, 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches, and again 2 single crochet into the same stitch. In the end, you will have 8 single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work, and now do 1 single crochet into the next 8 stitches. We now start decreasing, so we will single crochet 2 together. You just need to insert the hook into the first stitch and then again insert the hook into the second stitch, and only then you pull over the yarn. And that's our decrease. Now single crochet into the next 4 stitches and then again do the decrease. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now again single crochet 2 together, then 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches and single crochet 2 together. Chain 1 and turn your work. We are now going to skip the first stitch and just do 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. And now chain 1 to finish this round, and let's crochet all over the cookie man so it looks more neat. Also going to hide the ends of the yarn so it looks more neat again. For that I'm going to use the needle, don't really have a special technique. Now I'm going to use a different color yarn to add some small details to the cookie man, like eyes, some buttons, and just small details on the arms and legs. You can experiment, just be creative and add whatever you want, whatever you feel is necessary. And here we go. I also crocheted this second cookie man because I really like this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this video, hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays and happy crocheting! Bye!